Hey guys, this is Braindrop, music production faculty at the music school. In today's video I'm going to show you a cool little technique where you can change the tempo of your scene. So let's get started. So I've loaded a drum sample here. Let's just hear it. A very simple drum loop. The actual BPM of this drum loop is at 126 BPM. Now let's say I want this drum loop to start at a different BPM, and that's why the scene launch tempo is helpful to create a different time signature or launch tempo for this clip. So when I right click here, I have edit launch tempo. So when I click here, I can actually enter a different tempo. So let's say I'm going to enter 100. So now when I play this, you can actually see that the BPM has reduced to 100, or the BPM starts at 100. So this is a really cool technique for you to implement in your sets, in your live sets, in your live performance, for if you want to start your set at a different BPM, if you have intros, or even close your set with a different outro with a different BPM. So that was today's video. For more cool videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys next time.